Hi guys, today I will show you how to convert a Sales Navigator LinkedIn URL to normal LinkedIn URL. Because of that, many of our clients want to data enrichment uh, for email. Sales Navigator URL is no name, no option. For this reason, they will be uh, facing difficulty in the data enrichment. Like I will go one CSV file, just copy one LinkedIn sales URL, and I paste it in my LinkedIn server like that. Here, okay, what's going on? Okay, Hamanshu Badras, MBS MFA. This name I want to these people link the normal URL, so I will go to my program. Just sorry. Okay, this my API key. I will go LinkedIn sales to LinkedIn regular URL. This portion I click there. Try it. Here need my input my API key. I include this one. Okay, now try it. Here I paste the LinkedIn URL. LinkedIn Sales Navigator URL. Pasted it. Okay, now I start execute. What's going on? Loading. Yeah. Now this is LinkedIn normal URL. Okay, just I will paste, copy this one. Also for proveness, I will paste it also my LinkedIn server. There like Himanshu Barandas. Now I put LinkedIn normal URL before I put LinkedIn Sales Navigator URL. So that's the my in this video learning today. For this, because of that, you need if you need data enrichment, email enrichment, LinkedIn Sales Navigator doesn't give you LinkedIn normal URL. For this reason, you need to like up that tools. The tool you help you all LinkedIn Sales Navigator URL to convert LinkedIn normal URL. Thank you all. I hope you are doing well. Thank you. Bye bye.